What if you could transform the way you produce clear aligners? Faster, smarter, and at a fraction of the cost. Well, now you can with Desyo's Factory in a Box. This compact, fully automated system delivers aligners with unmatched speed and precision. With fewer operators, less space, and a faster pace, it's leaving traditional methods far behind. And all of this happens locally, bringing production closer to the point of care. The best part? It reduces your production costs per aligner, unlocking profitability like never before. And with the option to recycle molds, it's more circular than ever. Smaller, faster, and more sustainable. This is more than innovation. It's the future of aligner production. Don't miss your chance to lead the next generation of perfect smiles. Contact us today to discover how you can scale up and save big with Desyo's Factory in a Box.